Oxford Read and Discover, Level 4, All About Ocean Life, by Rachel Bladen. Read by Walter Lewis. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2010. Introduction. A lot of Earth is covered by saltwater oceans. The oceans are home to many types of life, from the smallest plants to the biggest whales. What do you know about oceans? Which mammals live in the oceans? Which animals can you find in icy oceans?
Discover!
Now read and discover more about wonderful ocean life. Chapter 1. Oceans of the World. There are 5 oceans, and they cover about 70% of Earth. Oceans and their seashores are different all around the world. On the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean, there's a lot of ice in winter. In warm tropical oceans, you can find colorful coral reefs where very many plants, fish, and other animals live. An ocean is always moving because of waves, currents, and tides. When the wind blows over the water, it makes waves. Currents are large amounts of warm or cold water that move around the ocean. An ocean also moves up the seashore and back again 2 times a day. These movements are called tides. Living in the ocean is very different to living on land. Ocean plants and animals have special ways of breathing, eating, moving, and keeping safe.
Discover!
The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. It can be more than 30 meters long. It moves well in the ocean because the water holds it up.